We are going to start exercise 3.4. Now, the question is on 1st Jan 2016. Sanika decides to save rupees 10. On second day, rupees 11. Third day, rupees 12. That means first day it is rupees 10. Second day it is rupees 11. Third day it is rupees 12 and so on. That means this is in an AP where A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. We have to find what is the total saving on 31st December 2016. So total saving here, that is SN, you have to find on 31st December 2016. Now 2016 is a leap year. How to find a leap year? You have all studied. So how many days? 366 days. Now the formula of Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n is equal to 366 upon 2 and 2 into a is 10 plus 366 minus 1 into 1. That is 300, sorry, we can cancel it. 183 into 20 plus 365. And that is equal to 183 into 385. Total rupees is equal to 70,455 rupees. Question number 2. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of 1,360 in 12 installment. So 12 installment, n is equal to 12. Total amount he has to repay is 8,000 plus 1,360, that is 9,360. Now each installment being, that means first installment, after that second installment is less by 40, that means D is equal to minus 40. We have to find the amount of the first installment and the last installment, that is A we have to find and N we have to find. Now Sn is given. Sn formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 9360. N upon 2, that is 12 upon 2 and 2a plus n is 12 minus 1 and d is minus 40. This is 9360. 6 into 2a plus 11 into minus 40 is equal to 9360 divided by 6, 2a minus 440, and that is 1 9360 divided by 6 is equal to 2a plus 2a minus 440. 440 we will shift into the left side. 1560 plus 440 is equal to 2a. Now 2a is equal to 2000. A is equal to 2000 divided by 2 is equal to 1000. So first installment is 1000. We have to find T12 and Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 1000 plus 12 minus 1 into d is minus 40. So we have 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. That is 1000 minus 440, and that is equal to 560 rupees. So T1 we have got, that is 1000 rupees, and T12 is 560 rupees. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year he invested rupees 5000. Second year, so I am writing here, first year he invested 5000 rupees. Second year 7000 rupees. Third year 9000 rupees, and so on. Find the total amount he invested in 12 years. So n is equal to 12. We have to find S12. So we'll put the value in the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now, before doing that, why we have taken Sn is equal to n upon 2? Since it is in AP, that is the difference is 2000. 7000 minus 5000, 9000 minus 7000. So first we will write that the investment is in AP. A is equal to 5000 rupees and D is equal to 2000 rupees. So now we will put the values here. S12 is equal to 12 upon 2, 2 into 5000 plus 12 minus 1 into D is 2000. So 6 into 10,000 plus 11 into 2000. This is 6 here, 10,000 plus 22. Now after solving, you will get 6 into 32,000. So that is 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, so this much amount he got. Question number 4. Now there is an auditorium with 27 rows. So number of rows, 27. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 in the second row. So we are writing the number of seats. First row 20, second row 22, third row 24, and so on. Now here also we see that the difference between them are 2. So here A is equal to 20 and D is equal to 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. Again 24 minus 22 is equal to 2. This is in AP. So now they have asked the total number of seats in 27 rows and number of seats in the 15th row. So one by one we will find out. That is, you have to find T15 and S27. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. T15 we have to find A is 20 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14, into D is 2, and that is equal to 20 plus 14 into 2, 20 plus 28, that is 48 seats. Now next we have to find S27, that is total number of seats in 27 rows. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2, we'll write the formula, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to 27. So S27 is equal to 27 upon 2. 2 into A is our 20 plus 26 into D is 2. So that is equal to 27 upon 2. Here 40 plus 26 into 2, that is 52. So here 27 upon 2 and this is 92. Cancel it. So 27 into 46 we have is equal to total number of seats is 1242. Question number 5. It is given that Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. The readings are in AP. So we will write here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. If the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30, so this is minus 30. Then find the temperature of other 5 days. Now it is already told that it is in AP. So we will take the temperature of Wednesday as A. This will be A minus D. Then this will be A minus 2D. Here it will be A plus D. A plus 2D. And this is A plus 3D. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees centigrade more than sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. So Monday's temperature, these are temperatures. Okay, according to the condition, the sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday. So the temperature of Monday, sum of and Saturday is equal to A minus 2D plus A plus 3D. That is 5 degrees centigrade more than sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. So, sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. So, Tuesday's temperature is, this is A minus D plus A plus 3D. So, here when we solve it, you will get 2A plus 1D, and here you are getting 2A plus 2D. So, what is the condition now given? The sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday is 5 degree more than temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. So, 2A plus 1D is equal to 2A plus 2D plus 5 degrees centigrade. Now, we have to find A and D. So, what you got? A is already minus 30. We will put the value. So, first we will solve it. 2A and 2A is cancelled. Here you are getting 1D is equal to 2D plus 5. So, we will bring it this side. 1D minus 2D is equal to 5 degrees centigrade. Minus 1D is equal to 5 degrees centigrade. D is equal to minus 5 degrees centigrade. So now we have to find the temperature of other 5 days. So we'll find it here. Monday, A minus 2D. That is, A is already minus 30. Minus 2 into minus 5. That is equal to minus 30 plus 10 is equal to minus 20 degrees centigrade. Tuesday, A minus D is equal to minus 30 minus 5. That is minus 30 plus 5 is equal to minus 25 degrees centigrade. Wednesday it is already given. Minus 30 degrees centigrade. Thursday is equal to A plus D. That is minus 30 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 35 degree centigrade. Friday is equal to A plus 2D. That is minus 30 minus 10 is equal to minus 40 degree centigrade. And Saturday, A plus 3D, that is minus 30 minus 15 is equal to minus 45 degree centigrade. Question number 6. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is 1 tree, second row there are 2 trees, third row 3 trees, and so on. So that is first row 1 tree, second row 2 trees, third row 3 trees, and so on. There are 25 rows. We have to find the total number of trees in 25. So total 25 trees in 25th row. So we have to find S25. Total number of trees in 25 rows. So here they are in order. A is equal to 1. D is equal to 2 minus 1. That is 1. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d S25 you have to find. So 25 upon 2, 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 1. That is equal to 25 upon 2. Here 2 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into 1, 24. This is 26. 25 upon 2. This will be cancelled. So 13 into 25, that is 325 trees.